Hi, it's Mike with the Barbecue Depot. It's springtime and it's grilling season, so we're gonna go over a few tips for you if you haven't pulled your grill out of storage yet, things that you need to do to make sure you're ready to go. The first thing and the most important thing is when you get your grill out, what you wanna do is find your hose kit. If it's a built-in, if it's a freestanding, any type of grill you have, you wanna find your hose kit, you wanna follow it all the way up to the fittings, and you wanna make sure that's tight. You can check that with some soapy water. If you have a sponge, you can use a spray bottle. That's the best way to check it. What we're also gonna do is when you get your grill, you wanna open it up, you wanna start pulling out the parts. So you wanna make sure there's no grease sitting inside the firebox that's built up really well. It could be a little bit greasy because your grill doesn't have to be perfect, because if it doesn't smoke, you don't get flavor. So you wanna check and make sure the burner is clean of all kind of defects and everything, and you wanna repoke the holes, clean them off if you have them. You wanna take your heat plates, you wanna brush them off. If you are using briquettes in your grill, you wanna just brush the briquettes off. You don't wanna use any water. And then same thing for the cooking grids. You wanna clean them really good. Depending on your cooking surface will depend on what you need to do. Something that's porcelain or cast iron, you could use this like in a brass brush. If it's something stainless, you can use something a little bit more abrasive. And the same thing goes on with your ceramic grills like the eggs. You always wanna check the gasket all the way around. You wanna check to make sure there's not a bunch of buildup inside the firebox, clean the cooking grids, and all that good stuff. So if one thing you have to do, remember, do not touch any parts on the grill if you have fired up or it's hot. Let's wait till it's cooled down and it's off. So if you need any parts, you need any assistance, you can contact the Barbecue Depot. You can call us toll-free 877-983-0451, or you can go to our website, thebbqdepot.com. Have a great season.